So the question is, how does HashMap handles collisions after Java 8? So before I explain this, we should understand what is collision here. So basically HashMap, right? I'll first explain till Java 8 what was happening and what has changed from Java 8. So basically what will happen is whenever you want to store an element in the hash map, internally first hash code will be calculated based on the key you are storing. Okay. So internally hash map contains a buckets, and each it's an array of buckets. Okay. Each bucket will point to a linked list. So first what will happen is when you want to store, right? First it will check based on the hash code what is the location in the array of buckets. Let's say if it is 0 in the bucket, so 0 will point to one linked list. So first entry it will directly go and store it in the linked list. But let's say if you want to store another entry in the hash map, and let's say the hash code of that entry is also 0. So what will happen is first it will go and check the hash code and see the linked list. If there is already an entry present, then it will compare its keys. If it is same, then it will override the existing linked list entry. Otherwise, it will create a new node. So this is how it will be worked. So basically, every time there is a collision, this is called as collision. So if two keys with same hash key will create collisions, so the new entry will be added in the linked list corresponding to it till Java 8. So the problem is, so we normally say, right, hash maps get complexity is O of 1. It's not always. O of 1 is a best case complexity. Why? Because let's say you want to retrieve some value, right? First, you will get the hash code. From hash code, you will see the linked list. If there is already linked list formed, you have to traverse the whole linked list in worst case to get the value. So the complexity will be O of n in the worst case till Java 8. But what has changed in Java 8? So what Java 8 has done is, instead of storing it in the linked list, if the size of the linked list is crossing 8, if there are 8 collisions happened for a bucket, then it will convert that into red black tree. So with the red black tree, the worst case complexity is reduced to O of log n from O of n. So this is the advantage. I hope you got it. In case of collision, if the length of the linked list is greater than 8, then the red black tree is created and the new records are added there. So complexity will become of log n. So this is the improvisation to handle the collision. Let's move on to the next question.